Hi everybody, happy weekend. It's a Saturday before Labor Day and I am so happy because it's a Stitch Fix day, my favorite. So today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing for you and a review. I have both puppies here and they're both staying out of view, so let me bother both of them. Wyatt, say hi. Can you say hi? He's like, what is happening? I'm sunbathing. So there's a nice sunspot here. Zena's in the shade. She always prefers the shade. Can you say hi to everybody? Say hi. Okay, so Stitch Fix styling service, $20 styling fee comes off of anything that you keep. However, they do offer a style pass for $49 that covers your styling fees for an entire year that you can pay for, and it does come off of anything that you keep. So if you do pay that $49, it will apply to anything that you keep in your next fix. Get 5 items based on your profile. So if anyone is interested in giving Stitch Fix a try, I will put it in my referral link below, and you'll get $25 credit, and so will I. So it's a win-win. It's awesome. I love Stitch Fix. I have the best stylist ever, Jess. She is so awesome. I love her, so I can't wait to see what is in this box. And if you like unboxings and try-ons, please consider subscribing to my channel. My birthday is coming up and I would love to hit 1,000 subscribers, so please give a girl some support and hit that subscribe button. All right, let's dig into this box. Here is the inside of my box. You get a bunch of information, and the great thing about Stitch Fix, they do tell you what to do right inside the box. So if you're not sure what to do, they do explain everything to you. You do get an envelope to return anything that you don't love and don't want to keep. You get an envelope with all kinds of information. I always love the oh hello. And you get little style cards, and I won't show them to you yet because they give you pictures of, I'm not even going to look. They give you pictures of your items and how to style them, which is always fun. And you get a price list, which I'm not going to look at either, and style notes. So we'll look at the items and then we'll check the price. We'll read my stylist notes. I'll try them on and then we'll check the prices. So here is my bundle, and it's a heavy bundle. So it means we're getting into fall. It looks dark. All right, let's check it out. And it's so hot out right now, so it's hard to even think about fall, but I guess it's coming whether I like it or not. Alright, first up, this looks like a dress by 41 Hawthorn, the Cristen shirt dress in navy, it says. And that's a pretty pattern going into the fall. Has the rolled sleeve tab here, belted. It's pretty. I love navy and I like pink. Plus you could wear a little khaki jacket with that, which I have several, so that's cute. Next up, feels soft. What is it? Oh, this is cute. So it says it's by Bobeau, Kirby button detailed open cardigan in black. It's very soft. I'm sorry if I'm squinting at you. It's so nice out here. I had to come outside. So can you see how this buttons? It crosses over and buttons over here on the side. So I think that is the only, yeah, I think that's the only button. It just, yeah. So it's, oh, okay. Yep, there's one on each side, so it just buttons on either side. Crosses over. Very cute. Next up, what does this say? Andrew Marc Performance Annwin cutout knit top. Also very soft. So it has this cutout in the front, very soft, like a knit jersey material. long sleeve. Almost feels like athletic wear, it's that soft. Okay. 2 more items. This is a sweater. Looks like a sweater dress. Wisp Elva sweater dress. I guess I was right. This is an interesting pattern. Short sleeve sweater dress. Basic. Oh, I'm so not ready for that. Looks cute. Alright, and last up is by Rainn, Carmelli tie waist crochet neckline knit top. Was that 3/4 sleeve maybe? This would be a good transition top. Okay, what do you guys think? Not bad. So let me try these things on and we'll see what they look like. Be right back. Okay, first up is this navy dress, which is super cute, shirt dress. And I put it on with the booties from my last StitchFix just to see what it looks like. And I'm really liking the fit of this. I like the length going into fall, so it's definitely long enough. And it's got movement to it. I don't mind the roll sleeve. So I think this is cute. All right, next. Okay, next 2 pieces. I put on the cardigan with the sweater dress, and I buttoned it just so you guys can see what it looks like. So it swings over and it just buttons at the top on both sides. And I put on a pair of booties with it. So this cardigan has these 2 pockets. It is so super comfy. Of course, I picked a really warm day for this try on, so I am dying right now. But I love this cardigan. Just for its sheer comfort and softness and the asymmetrical fit of it. So I do actually really like it. Yeah. Very, very cute. Very. Okay, so this dress. Also, super cute. It's a little more form-fitting, but still has plenty of room. It's not tight in any way. And going into fall, it's a longer length, but still has the shorter sleeve, so you can layer with it. And I think it's cute. So I'd love to hear what you guys think. All right, next. Okay, and here's that black top, which I think I originally thought the pattern was in the front. It's in the back, and I just put on with what I had on today. So hopefully you guys can see this, but this is the back. So it's a very soft, comfortable material, stretchy, very, very soft. And the back, of course, is very cute. And it's long, so I can just show you how long it is. Of course, my tie is showing here, but look how long. Okay, last top. Okay, last item is this little white top, which I can tell you I was thinking I was not going to like, but now that I have it on, it is very soft and it's cute. So what do you think? I'm always worried about these tassels, and I always want to cut them off, but these are long, but the top is very pretty. Okay, I'll be back for a quick wrap up. Okay, so as always, Jess came through. She always does such an awesome job. She's like the very best stylist ever. So let me read her note, and then we can go over the items and go over pricing. And let's see here. So she says, as always, I'm happy to hear from you again. Fall inventory is steadily rolling in, but I found some great transitional pieces for you. I know this is pretty heavy on the black, this fix, but I love the edgy back on the Andrew Marc top. I knew you would too. It has that longer length you love, which I do love longer lengths. And so comfy and casual for when you're traveling. I sent you a fun duster cardigan last fall with an asymmetrical look, but it arrived damaged, so I thought you might like the Bobeau cardigan. This is a little more versatile, but definitely lightweight. I know how you feel about florals, but I selected my absolute favorite dress of all time for you to try. The 41 Hawthorn dress is stunning for fall with booties. You have so many fun booties that would look amazing with this. Enjoy and let me know what you think. Tell Wyatt hi, XO, Jess. So, hi Wyatt from Jess. Wyatt's still here. He's still sunbathing. Everybody can see you? Yeah. Wyatt's always nearby, but he does tend to stay out of camera view whenever I'm not dragging him up for you guys to see. So there's some great outfit ideas here. Let me show you some for how you can style these pieces. Okay, so let's go over these items. The dress that she mentioned, I do love. That was the first one I tried on. I think this is gorgeous. And it is $78. So I totally love it. I'll wear it to work. I'll wear it for casual, so I love that. And for $78, I'm okay with it. The other dress, which was the sweater dress, which is the Wisp Elva sweater dress, is $88. What did you guys think of this? It's very comfortable. I think it'd be great for transition. It'd even be nice with high boots as the weather gets colder. So I like this one. I think it's probably a yes. The cardigan I did like. I'm dropping everything. Sorry. I'm still dropping stuff. Which was this. I did like this. It's very soft. You can see it's a little bit lighter, but it's very soft and comfortable, and I think would be a great layer. It's $58. So I'm leaning towards keeping that as well. The top with the cutout back here by Andrew Marc Performance, $38. That's not bad, and I think it's cute. So thinking yes towards that as well. Maybe this is the 5 for $5. What do you guys think? Yikes. And this top, the Daniel Rainn Carmelli tie tassel crochet 64. So everything would be $326. If you buy it all, you get the 25% discount, $81.51 for a total of $244.50. Yes, that would be my total. So, not bad for 2 dresses and a cardigan and 2 tops, right? $244.50. I'm thinking that's not too bad. What do you guys think? Should I keep all 5? If I don't keep all 5, I don't get the discount, and the discount is $81.50, which would pretty much cover, you know, one of the dresses. It'd be like getting one of the dresses for free. So I feel like that's worth it. But I really want to hear what you guys think. I think Jess did a great job. I think these are great transitional pieces. So thank you, Jess. I love it. Great job as always. You're the best. I'm really trying not to say so much in these videos, but I think I still say it way too much. I'm so sorry. So I want to hear from you. Let me know what you think of these items. Should I keep them all? Is this a 5 for $5? Let me read your comments. I love, love, love your comments. Thank you so much for watching and joining Wyatt and I today. Zena is here too, but she's hiding. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, can you please give me a like? And I really need your support. Please hit that subscribe and help my channel grow. I would so, so, so appreciate it. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Your comments, the likes, and the subs is how I know how I'm doing and if I should keep doing it. So I'm always watching that. And I do have a few more boxes that I'm getting in here, so lots more to come. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Till next time.